Today I may be going snow chasing. Beast from the east, I'm sure everyone's heard about it. It's affected a lot of the UK and Ireland, especially the south and east, but we've got very little here in the Midlands of Northern Ireland, where we usually get good snow amounts, pretty much because of the setup and distribution of showers and shower streamers. So today could be the last chance for a while. The Met Office just issued an amber warning for the south and southeast of Northern Ireland, parts of County Antrim, parts of County Down. So it looks like I may have to travel for this one to get some cool scenes. So my mate Connor and I are thinking of chasing into the County Down area, perhaps Armagh area in the vicinity. At the minute on radar there's a complete non-stop streamer of snow showers falling over that whole region continuously for hours. There already is a good snowfall there, and the winds are gusting very strong, producing local blizzard conditions. That's the kind of scenes I want. So maybe after midday we're making an arrangement here, getting everything sorted out and prepared. We may chase down that area and see if there's anything photogenic on camera or worthy of filming on video. But here's the Met Office. So it's pretty much here, for anyone who doesn't know, Armagh, into the corner of this amber zone, yellow zone in the north, but the amber's here. Frequent and occasionally heavy snow showers are expected to continue through much of Thursday, leading to further significant accumulations with drifting. Delays and cancellations to all forms of transport are likely. Roads may become blocked by deep snow, and some rural communities might become cut off, and interruptions to power supplies. So that's what we're going for. And here's the current net weather radar. The pinks are snow. It's snowing continuously. There's Lough Neagh, we're down here, there's Armagh. And if I go backwards in time, you can see how this area is continuously getting snow streamers in off the Airy Sea, dumping a lot of snow there for a long period of time with gusting winds. It's a perfect setup for some really cool scenes somewhere in that whole area. So that's the plan.
Just haven't got a scene. No. That's cool there, the ground. Ah, it is. Look, it's really starting to go in the north there, look.
Oh, it's really picking up. It's good. It's looking good here in front of us now. It's blowing right across that whole field at high speed.